This is an illustration of how the VectorDraw installation works and how to fix any problems related to your VectorDraw installation. When you output a file and you get this warning, you can follow the prompt, or when you go output DWG-DXF and you get this warning, your 90-day evaluation, you can follow the prompt. It will ask you to install VectorDraw. You can click OK and accept to download the file of about 166 megabytes. On the top it will show you the download is busy. When it's finished, it will start the installation. Continue with the prompts and wait for all the installation files to extract and install successfully. When the installation is finished, it will give you another pop-up. And you can say finished, and you can either restart your computer or not now if you're still working. And then when you restarted your computer, you can test the output of the Model Maker systems again. So I will go to output DWG-DXF-DGN, and this time you will see that allows you to save the file. I will also import that same file just to verify my installation. And installation was successful. If you right click on your Windows icon at the taskbar and go to Apps and Features and scroll down to the VectorDraw installation, you should see two files of the VectorDraw installation for it to be successful. If it's not successful, uninstall everything you see of VectorDraw. Then go to your .mm systems folder under your user profile, downloads, and run this file as administrator. It will try to uninstall and reinstall the installation again, similar to what we've done out of the program. Wait for it to finish. Alternatively, you can download that same file from the website. If you haven't downloaded before, just register on the left, use your details to log in, and then under the utilities we will download the VectorDraw file. You can also download it from the Google Drive or directly to your computer with downloads. Once the file is downloaded, you will once again go to your downloads folder and right click on the VectorDraw setup and say run as administrator and follow the prompts the same as before. If your installation still does not work, please contact us at Model Maker Systems.